yung background namin. Hey guys, we're just arrived here in Balingwan Port and now we're in rush kasi aalis na yung barko. Thank you Lord kasi nakaabot pa kami sa ticket. Actually, sa last minute na talaga. Pero, they give us chance na makasakay. Ngayon, pupunta tayo ngayon sa X-ray baggage para makita nila yung laman ng bag natin. Hihihi! Sobrang init. Kakaloka. Hi guys! Finally, we made it!
I'm sweating.
We both sweating, tired, and with all the rushing, run over there, and it's too sunny. But still, we're so happy and lucky that we made it. And the ship is now going to Camiguin.
See you then.
See you. See, only one car.
One motorcycle.
And two motorcycles, three motorcycles.
Oh yeah.
Just only one.
Yeah, because those two are for the guards.
We're going to Camiguin. Look at that. It will move fast because there's no ice on board. Look at it. This way. Then look. Hi guys! Good afternoon. Good morning pala. This is our driver. The sweet lover. Driver, sweet lover. And the handsome driver.
Handsome driver.
And now today's video is we're going to the clinic for Sanders Tule. This is a
Pero
Tule
butang
day.
gatong.
So we'll see you later.
Paalong na ba?
Oh, iba ka
This is what you do? What's this?
Samahin na may patuli?
Let me see them. I'm not gonna see them.
Hi guys! So we're just here dito sa T-Stray. Nag-milk tea lang kasi sobrang init ng panahon. Diyos ko Lord. So nag-milk tea lang kami. Baba na yun.
Is it a people? Can you come again?
Salted caramel. Lamig yung salted caramel.
Next time.
Caramel eh na?
Next one.
Ang terminal pa sumate. to the camera.
Loyal sa Jikwan.
Paligya na ba na eh?
Pero siga man. Oh.
Ay, siga.
Ayaw kay Suwang.
Hi guys, good evening. New day, new vlog. I mean, new night, new vlog. So for today's video is, dito tayo ngayon sa Parola. Dito sa Leong, Parola. At, dito kami tatambay ngayon kasi first time namin lahat tumambay dito at super nice naman dito. Madilim nga lang siya kasi hindi namin nakikita yung view. Pero maganda, mahangin. Oh my God, I love the view. Kahit madilim. Fresh air. Yan.
Tapos pwede naman mo pambut niya yun.
Sana magdala rin ko ang itong folding bed ba? Magdaigda.
Bakit kada?
Maluyog guys.
Ah, pilaga kung gano'n yun.
Ba man walay dito din ba?
Tol, Michael pula naglaag-laag.
Manang nga, dali ka. Asa ko yan?
Badlong kumangot.
Uy. Ako lang dito do nang dagang kondo ko dito.
May wifi?
Sa tabaw na na. Naana siya o. Apo kaya suriso. Suriso ay. Iya mama igsunit yan da. Aw, pare di ay. Ang iyang mama igsun anak ni Taragya Insik. Di bali lula niya si Insik.
Hi guys, welcome to Aqua Marine Park here in Camiguin Island. Come. Sandra. Baby. Sandra, look. Look here. Wala, tanaw dito ka. Day, ali day. Day. Center. Yes.
Thunder!
Hi guys! Good morning! New day, new vlog. So for today's video is pupunta na kami ng Kinsigiban and we're going back to CDO. So we're done now with our short vacation here for third times here in Camiguin. So hi guys! Hi! So ayan, babalik na kami ng Cagayan de Oro kasi nag-short, tapos na yung vacation namin dito. Actually, matagal pa sana na kami mag-vacate pero mayroong emergency so we need to go back to CDO. So that's it everyone. So thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy my video. So till next time Camiguin, I'll see you. Bye! So, ayan guys, alis na kami. See you next time kami again. We're going na. Sabak-sabak. Ayan guys. Sino sila kakabili ng ticket? Ilang senior? Hi guys! We're here now at Ginsiliban Port. So, punta na kami ng waiting area nila kasi kakarating na ng barko. So, ang dami namin, ang saya. Ito yung mga unexpected travelers. Unplanned travel.
Mamista pa ako sa nagbinhaan.
Okay na. Dito tas Cagayan mamista.
Enjoy.
Cagayan daw matiwas.
Wala nga dito, wait ka lang. Dito sa pabukid ba? Pabukid.
Oo. Pero okay na.
Adventure, tatag sa bukid, wait.
Nila na. Importante ato takwan.
Next time na lang.
Next time. Ano, Sander? Picture. Ano, doon. One. Look, guys.